How to use the camp shower at the hunter's cabin. Step 1. We first unhook it, gently lowering the shower. Unclip it, and now we are ready to fill the camp shower with water. Now we fill it with water from the rainwater tank or water that you brought from home. We fill it about halfway, at least 10 liters or a little bit more. Right, so filled it halfway with cold water. Now the next step is to add some hot water to heat it up. Alternatively, you can also leave this bag in the sun for half a day, and with solar power it will heat up nicely. Now we heat up some water in the kettle on the gas stove. Don't let it boil, just make it really hot. Now we add it using the funnel into the hot water bag, the camp shower. Just adding the hot water, that's really hot, to the cold water from the camp shower should heat it up sufficiently. Now remove the funnel and make sure you close the camp shower properly. Now lift it up and hook it in again. Make sure you take the pulley system, put it up all the way to the top,